Just and fair delimitation, in short, JFD convener Jitendra Ningomba has called on state legislatures to publicly declare their categorical stance on the census exercise in the state within the last week of this month. He was addressing the public meeting at Nongpok Hairok Community Hall and Wangkai Kaithel Ashangbi Community Hall as a part of the JFD's ongoing campaign for a just and fair census to be conducted after the implementation of the National Register of Citizens (NRC) or a similar mechanism in the state. Speaking further, Jitendra attributed the cause of the ongoing crisis to the influx of illegal immigrants, arguing that conducting census after their identification will be the only solution to thwart the occurrence of similar untoward incidents in the future. He added that the original citizens and government could not say anything against demanding separate administration by the illegal immigrants once they are officially recorded as Indian citizens in the census, pointing out that census exercise of Manipur can be differ in view of the prevailing situation. The JFD convener demanded that the census be conducted only after the implementation of NRC or similar mechanism. He also urged the government to take a cabinet decision to identify illegal immigrants in the state and submitted the same to the central government before exercising census. Jitendra warned that bypassing the people's aspirations to forcefully conduct the NRC will trigger a fierce public movement.
Hujik legiba mitu miya jasinse han madam masa khangdoksi khangdo matungda electoral rule dagi makosi muthachi adu matungda makoje mai area da hanan biji haidana assam aiba aikoi ge thunaduna lebak sida bangladesh te la ko muslim mayam ma takchopu jawre adu makoji lan tawri ba sam aduga aikoi sidana myanmar te la ko kangu ma sindo adu assam da tawri sumaina ko tawri wa ne ba adu tawri wa ne ba kanana government no yan tawdu bagi maram mayam nei Rasni to kamu ni ko moi thoba saka thoba na ba mo do pa na ru wani to do gi manam nei ba akoi na na dan to do gi manam do le su le su nang akoi gi lebak si gi mi mu na tra na khoi na pa ma lambi mu da mai pak na da mu ko wan mu ha bi gi la ne ba ting ni hayeng chit la do ri ba mi ko ti wa si da mi to mi ya sa sing se lok tho ho da di ya ro he ji khang na ni na lok tho ho na ba amat ngai bu upai di lenga ko ma ya sin ke bi mi si da chi ma
On the other hand, JFD Finance Secretary Sunil Karam questioned the central government's plan to conduct census in the state despite the prevailing situation that makes free movement impossible for the warring communities. He also warned that illegal immigrants will overpower the original citizens and snatch away their rights if they are not vigilant about the unfair census process in the state.
Delimitation ji kadino hai matamda kendra assembly se sigi mayam gi kendra je saupokwa fiction ba haptok hapsin je tawrakadore ba because thibal loi ba adi mp masing kya de lepsige je sida hatak toina Mikok Chivo Loracana, Ni Masindu Matunina, saying so Singani Amagi Mikota, Poise, Kendra Satok Sachi, Pitok Pikin Hectoraba, Beligi, Nipu Pamiba Shitse, Shide Ahum Sakraneva. Kendra Humangu Niko, Mang is a crider, sing the Changaneva. Imphal East of Mangani, Kendrama, Imphal West of Manganico. Bishabuta, the Chimunda among Mangani. Manga do Kendra, Madugi Santana Mamala, Kineva, Mardi, Mishingam Tabata, she kind of Lacani. And the sing the guy Sakrani, Inshol sing any Amada, Biko Tim Matanda, Miami Hangada, Hapsan give a Mishingana, Senapati, or Kul Sadin Sandraneva.